Did you see this? The Exploding Topics app just made one of the most significant upgrades in its existence, in my opinion, and I'm super excited to share it with you. It is perfect for brands, anyone selling products online, because it gives you literally everything you need to not only identify what products are about to blow up, but exactly how to market and sell them successfully. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you a hidden feature within this feature that actually lets you see all of your competition so you know exactly what products to focus on, what videos to make, and how likely your chance of success is to sell this one and make a whole bunch of money. Let's take a look. So you already know how easy it is to find trending products by category, but once you've got a winning product, you need to know how to market it. And TikTok is the go-to e-commerce market for all of Gen Z and Gen Alpha. So much so that TikTok Shop generated $26.2 billion in global gross merchandise value only in the first half of 2025. Okay, so you've got the product, you know where you have to market it, the specific platform. Now you need a blueprint of what content is actually going to sell this product. That's where this new feature comes in. Within trending products, you're going to notice a new tab called TikTok Activity. You can see a thumbnail for the top video featuring that product, along with the total views for the top TikTok results for that product. So let's take a closer look. Let's pick a product from the main screen here. How about PDRN Cream? So you scroll down and you can hit TikTok Insights right here. You see a brief TikTok overview that shows you the total posts for this keyword, the total number of video views, the total likes, the number of views on the top video, and the number of likes on that top video. Why is this so important? You are getting a content blueprint of exactly how to sell a product. Let me show you a real example that you can start to use. Let's say I found a great product and I'm doing a limited run, right? A handful of SKUs, or I'm drop shipping this product. Maybe I'm doing a small run because I want to test this product before I really stock it and go all in. In this scenario, I'm going to have a limited marketing budget. I'm assuming you will too. I mean, you can't make 15 different pieces of ad creative for unboxings, before and after, testimonials, etc. You need to know exactly what videos are already getting the most traction so that you can create your own versions of those videos, putting your own spin on it. So let's check one of these out. I'm going to go with this one. It's not the top video for this product, but it's still got almost 400,000 views. Now, in the first 2 seconds, she's showing us a neck wrinkle, letting us know it's genetics. Next, she applies the cream, she rubs it in with the text on screen, my genetics. So in the first 5 seconds, she's basically saying that a wrinkle-free neck has nothing to do with genetics, it's just about using this product. Now that hits on the pain point, the main objection people would have to buying this product, saying, oh, these people already have great genetics, that's why their skin is so good, like it wouldn't matter what product I use. They're putting an end to that objection right away.
Meet our new PDR.
Then she starts a voiceover, explaining what the product is, but mainly the benefits of using the product, saying skin elasticity, collagen production, things like that. And her call to action here is super simple. Let me know if you want this product in Malaysia, a hyper-specific location-based call to action. So if I was a new seller about to sell this product, here's what I would do. I would make a shot list for this video and it would look something like this. Close-up shot of the area of the skin I want to focus on, close-up shot of the product application, selfie shot holding the product, and several POV product shots. Now you've got a shot list and a script to recreate your own version of this ad, and you know it's got the best chance of success because it's already a proven concept. Let's look at another example. Let's say I want to sell a hot fitness product. How about the red light therapy belt? I click on the product, I click on TikTok Insights, and again, I have a breakdown of all this top data that I need to get a baseline of how much competition I have in this space. So let's look at the top video for this one.
Hang on, give me a minute. Let me just explain this to her real quick. Okay,
So the hook here is super important. She's saying, hang on, let me explain. Basically making the video look like it's natural, like it wasn't rehearsed, like somebody was calling out to her from off screen, and she's like, let me just explain this real quick. Very natural and off the top. Most likely there was nobody else in the room and she was just doing this to make it feel more natural.
I have on the Pro Oliva Red belt. That's the all black one.
So she's showing the product and she's telling us which model it is.
I also have the OG belt, which has the blue trim. I have the mini and I have the micro. You don't need all 4 belts. You just need one.
Then she establishes her credibility. And she does this by saying that she owns 3 other red light therapy belts, but this one is the best. And she's tried all of them. She's the expert.
It has the ability to use red light, near infrared light 850, which can go up to 1.5 inches below the skin surface.
She then explains the benefits of using this product, not the features, the benefits. She doesn't waste any time going too deep into the science behind why it works.
This one's always sold out, always out of stock, because it has a heated vibrating massage.
This is important. Your 2 most powerful tools when you're selling physical products are urgency and scarcity. And this is a scarcity statement. She's saying this one is always sold out, that there are never enough to go around.
It's just been restocked. It literally just fell off the truck. I'm going to go ahead and drop that link.
And here's the urgency. They just fell off the truck. That makes you feel like you gotta run and go buy it right now. Like an armored truck just crashed and $1 million cash just spread all over the highway and everybody stops to go and grab a few bills. It makes you feel like you need it right now. So now you have everything that you need to go and create your own version of these winning videos, these winning ads, so you can sell these products without wasting so much time and money on ad creative. With this one specifically, the best part is that this whole video is just one shot, one selfie video. The whole thing was just handled in one take, and it still managed to get all those views. But wait, there is more. I'm going to show you another feature in here that's kind of hidden, but is going to give you a competitive edge against everybody else who's selling this product. If you scroll down below the top videos, you'll see TikTok activity over time. Here you can see the number of posts against the amount of views the posts are getting. So you can see how much competition you've got in a specific niche for a specific product. So look right here. If you see an area like July 6th, you can see that there are more than enough views to go around, which means it was a great time to sell that product, to promote that product, versus these other areas where the amount of posts way outnumbers the amount of views. You can also adjust the time frame from 3 months, 6, or 12 months. Now scroll down even further and you've got this bubble chart of top related hashtags on TikTok. So this shows you related topics around this product. So you can find hidden marketing opportunities and angles that you might not have even thought about. Like this one, red light therapy benefits. If you click on it, you see all these related trending topics and products that share this same hashtag. The TikTok views around these topics, the total views, the number of posts, and how fast they're growing, so you know what your competition looks like and the top hashtags for each topic that are actually winning. This data gives you everything that you need to know around how much competition you have in a specific product before you even start your marketing or order a single SKU. What that really means is that you're saving thousands of dollars in marketing and creative budget. You can use this tool to get super tactical with the way that you sell products, so that there's no more guesswork and throwing shit at the wall to see what sticks. So if you've got Exploding Topics Pro, you gotta go check this feature out. If you haven't tried Exploding Topics yet, just head over to explodingtopics.com, see for yourself. If you wanna just try a free version to find some trending products right away, go to explodingtopics.com/topic. If you want more breakdowns of specific products and how to market and script your own content, just comment how to market and then the niche, like how to market skincare. And I'll give you a trending product within that niche and a short blurb of how to basically market and sell that product with top content. All I ask in return is that you hit that beautiful subscribe button. Sure would mean a whole lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.